Total dad
Hello,
fit.
this is Ross's channel. Today, my dad's going to be talking.
Yeah, that's right. Today we're going to talk about the case of Porteous versus St. Anne's Cafe and Deli. Are you guys ready?
Dad,
Yes.
what's the case?
That's a very good question, Gus. A case, well, that means that's a lawsuit that happened at court. It's a dispute between people in a business or people in an insurance company or two people. It's a case that lawyers work on.
What's a lawyer?
Lawyer's what daddy is. You go to work in an office, you type. Sometimes you go into a building where there's a
Lawyers
judge.
are mommies too.
What's that, son?
Lawyers are girls too.
Girls can be lawyers, and girls can be excellent lawyers. That's right. We teach that here at
What
the LeBlanc
about
household.
boys?
Boys can also be lawyers as well.
Okay.
So we're going to start talking.
Yeah. We're going to talk about the case of Porteous versus St. Anne's Cafe and Deli. Do you guys know what's important about this case?
Yes, sir!
No, we do not. What?
This is a case where someone bit into a Poboy and, God bless you.
Keep on going.
That's a battery. Porteous versus St. Anne's Cafe and Deli is someone bit into a Poboy with an oyster. And you know what oysters make?
What?
Pearls.
Pearls?
You know those little pearls?
Yeah, then why did we just crack one open and we didn't see a pearl?
We went to the beach today, opened an oyster. There was no pearl.
Yeah.
They don't all have pearls.
Yeah, I know.
And
So-
then you have to eat it. And then it tastes disgusting.
You don't have to eat it.
That's right.
Yes, you do.
This oyster this lady bit into had a pearl. The pearl broke her tooth. She sued the restaurant. That was her case. And it went all the way up to the Supreme Court. You know what they said?
What?
They said she didn't have a case. You know why?
What?
They said when you bite into an oyster po' boy, it might have a pearl in it, and that ain't the restaurant's fault. Does that make sense?
No,
What do you mean?
because they're just blindly putting pearls in, not knowing that it might kill somebody.
That could happen, but God put the pearl there, right?
Yeah.
Or the oyster made it on itself. The
Yeah.
restaurant didn't do that, right?
Yeah, but they should check it before they put it in.
How many times do I have to say it? You're interrupting me.
Well, hold on, Gus. I think Lee made an excellent point. And we didn't talk about this before, but you're saying the
Wait.
restaurant should check the oysters
Yeah.
for
That's a
pearls?
good
Yes.
idea.
Wait, Gus?
Should we talk about Easter bunnies?
Oh.
Well, that would be good. I do have another case about Easter bunnies. We can talk about it next episode. Is that cool?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, so a restaurant should check the oysters for
Yes.
pearls?
Yes.
Because if they don't, people will bite in them
Yes.
and break their teeth?
Yes.
Well, there was a dissenting judge, and he agreed with you, but the majority of the Supreme Court back then said, no, if they got an oyster and a pearl, that's just a natural occurrence, and the restaurant can't be responsible. So that lady lost her case.
Yeah, they're idiots. They're big fat liars.
Well, hold on. We don't talk disparagingly about judges. That
And
would
that's a
violate
mean
the code
word.
of
That's
ethics.
a bad word.
What's that?
It hurts people's feelings.
Yes, it is very hurtful. Judges have feelings too.
Yes.
Those guys, hey, look, they knew the whole facts in the case, and they decided restaurant's not responsible.
Yes, they are.
Business. Then your business.
And guys, we did not talk about this before we put on the video.
That's
And
right.
my dad used to catch sharks all the time because of my mom catch
No,
fishes.
No, that's not true.
All right, thanks, and tune in next time when we let you know the end of that story with the sharks
Yes.
and the Easter Bunny case.
Yes.
And idiots are bad guys, remember?